Changing your profile picture on Uber Eats is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your image easily. Step 1. Open the Uber Eats app. Launch the Uber Eats app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access your account. Tap on the profile icon or the account button, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Go to Profile Settings. In the account menu, look for an option labeled Profile or Account Settings. Select this option to access your profile information. Step 4. Change Profile Picture. Find the current profile picture or an option that says Change Picture or Edit Profile Picture. Tap on it to choose a new image from your device's gallery or take a new photo. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new profile picture, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Done button and tap it to update your profile. Now your profile picture on Uber Eats is updated. Enjoy your new look while ordering your favorite meals.